This video covers graphing a line by finding its x and y intercepts. So in order to graph these lines, we're going to solve for our x-intercept, which is when y equals 0, solve for our y-intercept, which is in x equals 0, and then graph the intercepts and draw the line between them. So to find the x-intercept, zoom back out, this is when y equals 0. So I have negative x plus 0 is 5. That gives me negative x equals 5, so x is going to be negative 5. So I have the ordered pair when x is negative 5, y is 0. So let me go ahead and plot that. When x is negative 5, y is 0, there's my x-intercept. Next, let's find our y-intercept. This is when x is 0, so I have negative 0 plus y is 5. That means y equals 5, so I have the ordered pair when x is 0, y is 5. And I can go ahead and plot that as my y-intercept. And we can draw a line through those 2 points in order to graph the linear equation, negative x plus y equals 5. For our next example, I have 3x minus y equals 6. We'll start by finding the x-intercept. So y equals 0. That means 3x minus 0 is 6. So 3x is 6. If I divide both sides by 3, that leaves me with x equals 2. So when x is 2, y is 0. So here is our x-intercept. Next, I have to find my y-intercept, which is when x equals 0. So I have 3 times 0 minus y is 6. That means negative y is 6. I have to move the negative to the other side. So y is negative 6. So when x is 0, y is negative 6. So I'm going to plot that point, go to where x is 0, y is negative 6. That's right here. And I can go ahead and graph my line. Our last example is I have 4x plus 8y equals 20. So to find the x-intercept, I let y equal 0. So I have 4x plus 8y is 20. That means 4x plus 8 times 0 is 20. So 4x is 20, meaning x is 5. So when x is 5, y is 0. That is my x-intercept. Next, I can find my y-intercept. My y-intercept is when x equals 0. So I have 4 times 0 plus 8y is 20. 8y equals 20. Divide both sides by 8. Y equals, I can simplify this fraction because they're both divisible by 4. So I get 5 halves, which is 2.5 or 2.5, right? So I have the ordered pair when x is 0, y is 5 halves, and I can graph that right about there, 2.5. So I can connect those 2 points to graph my line on our coordinate plane.